I'll mark that off. Hey everybody, Looks into Swirl here. New day, new envelope and Tumbler project. This is the very first sticky sheet subscription box from Mr. Nola's Glitter. I jumped on the bandwagon when they announced it. We are going to open it up. I haven't looked at what's inside. So here we go. I do believe that every month you get, they're calling this the Sticky Sheet Muse box, M-U-S-E. Mr. Nola's Glitter's brand new Sticky Sheet subscription is finally here. Want to be the first to try new prints and films? Well, look no further. Sign up for the Muse box and let it inspire you. Here's how it works. The box will be $50.98 a month. That includes shipping and package insurance. It auto-renews on the 29th of every month. If you want it to, you can cancel at any time. Each box will include 8 printed sheets, 1 specialty print, 1 word art decal sheet, 1 color decal sheet, and 1 accent sheet. So I'm guessing this constitutes the 1 accent sheet. And I don't really know what each of these are. They're not marked on the back. So we're just going to go through them. So that's why there are 11 of these plus this. 12 altogether. So this is beautiful. In this case, the whole thing is printed on silver vinyl. So that's the foil, I guess. This is the foil sheet. Wow. I'm really batting 1,000 with this brand new box, but it's new to me too. I don't know what I'm doing here yet. We have some decals. They're just decals you can cut out. They can go on any color backing. Sweet but sweary. Yep, absolutely. Dream Chaser. Lots of rainbows, especially the Rainbow Club. That's me. Y'all know that. Ooh, look, a rainbow cookie. Shake it off. Nugs, not hugs. Okay, now we have the word decal, meaning this is all sayings in black. So I wouldn't put these on every color. I suspect if you put it on a dark enough cup, you wouldn't be able to see it. So I think these on a darker background would be kind of like this beef flamazing, not the pink flamingo part, which shows up fine, but the black on the darker glitter, it could use a white offset. So I'm guessing this is like that and should go on lighter colors just to be more visible. Okay, so these are all swirl prints on white, meaning you can put them over anything and they will cover it up. Very pretty. The rainbow, a rainbow splatter, and I expect you could put this on any background. It would probably look great on a glitter background. They call this the peekaboo because you can still see the background through the design. So this would probably go best on a light or white colored background, but you could put it on a light pink, light blue, yellow. You could put it on yellow. Maybe that would be the way to go. And then you would have yellow flowers, yellow lightning bolts, yellow smiley faces. This looks like a peekaboo. Well, let's just pull it and find out. Yep, it's a peekaboo, meaning that you can see the background through the sheet. See, like you can see my fingers. So putting this on a glitter cup would show the glitter through. Let's see what this is. No. Oh, yep. This is interesting. Most of it is on white, but there are see-through spots. So you could put that on any color, any glitter background. That would be beautiful. As I've promised, we're going to do a cup. I just have to figure out what cup we're going to do. So blink of an eye for you, more of a think for me, and I'll bring you back when I've figured it out. And we're back. Okay, here's what's going to happen. I'm going to put some Mr. Nola's Glitter's Speed Dry Epoxy onto this tumbler, which is just painted with a flat white Rust-Oleum spray paint. And then I'm going to sprinkle on these 4 glitters. The yellow is Belle Chunky from Fran's Glitter and More. The purple is Sweet Tart from Fran's Glitter and More. The blue is Bluetiful from Glitter Chimp. And finally, this gorgeous green is Ursulines from Mr. Nola's Glitter. And then we'll go on to the next step, but that will form the base. So I'm gonna gear up and all that. Just sit back and enjoy the show. Okay, this has a layer of resin on it now. I'm going to use our star vinyl. This is about, I believe I came up with 5 1/4 inches. I don't want it to go all the way down to the bottom. I want it to miss the curve here. So 5 1/4. I'll mark that off. Okay. See how I did. That's pretty good. All right. It's interesting. Is it perfect? No. Because of the vinyl strips, I'm going to cover the cup with a layer of Quick Coat from CC DIY, the urethane sealer. And once that dries, I will put a layer of probably KS Liquid Stone Ultra UV over the whole thing. And I will absolutely add Marabou's Rainbow Alcohol ink to it because I want all the sparkles. So next time you see this, should be out in the sunshine.